So, today we test drive some cars, and this is what happened throughout the day. Have you ever wondered what happens when you walk into a car dealership? Well, today we're going to find out and put it to the test.
Hey guys, what's up? Jazz25 here, and today we have got the 12-hour challenge today, because today our electricity is going out for 12 hours. So today we're going to be going out through town and testing all these cars out and see how many cars we can test out throughout the day and get back home before 6 until the power comes back on. So let's get on to it. Let's get on the challenge.
We are going to go to the first car place and not rent ourselves a car, but test drive some few cars and go from there and see how many we can do in one day. So let's do it. So we're trying to pick the best car here. So yes. Looking at it. Yes. So the first place is Suzuki in Mandurah, so we're going to try and find a good car around here. So yeah. Drive this place first. Oh, they're not the same place, are they?
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
Be like twin turbos, waiting an hour, and rev something. Be very big.
Pretty much. It's very good. A very nice interior, nice little leather seats, very comfortable as well. You pretty much go everywhere. Very nice, very nice. So the name of the car is the Vitara Turbo All Grip. Dad's trying to drive the car now. Fun.
sitting there.
Wow, that is a good view right there.
That's fantastic.
Look at the back of it. There's no room in the back.
There's no back. You don't know about it. What? It happens every time. And then back up again.
Oh, that's sick as.
weird. So it doesn't break the window.
That's awesome. Yes, I knew it. We weren't allowed to drive the 370Z because it is too damn expensive
And too good.
and too good.
What do you think?
$50,000 for this car. $50,000. Oh yeah. Bye bye. What? Sweet. Yeah. Have a decent drop. Thank you very much. Oh, that's awesome. Time to test the brakes. We're going to go full force. Oh, yeah. The brakes are... Oh, that is good. I love that. That's a good feeling.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's good.
That's cool. Looks exactly the same as my car. Exactly the same. Plastic. Around you all the way though. Can't slip out like that.
I don't know, it's a little seat.
Web address, which is where you'll find that car on a gun through. Yep.
Cool. Thank you.
All right. There you go.
Have a good day. Yeah.
That's the trouble with these kids.
He's got his own channel.
They're pretty clever. They leave us a long way behind.
Thank you.
Cool. No worries.
Appreciate your time, and if we can help, come back.
Yep. No worries. Cool.
All right.
Know what it's about.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye. Looks pretty good, eh?
seats, these seats. Oh, God, this has got to be like 85 now. Got it. Oh, feels good.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What?
Oh,
Well,
quick, get money. At home.
oh, wow.
That's awesome.
That's a,
You put your legs out. Put your legs out. You just lean back. It's perfectly made for for the human body.
what is it? Yeah, so that's Camry.
Yeah, I know, it's weird. It's like, it doesn't look like a Camry at all anymore. I mean, they look pretty similar, really. Oh, it's got the blue. That one straight away.
That's the
me-
V6.
Me and the rest of Mandra, I think, right?
Spot on, that's the V6. That one there has got 224 kilowatts.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
So putting that into perspective, that is 2009 V8 Club Sport.
Yep, but because of the way it looks, I don't think anyone would give a shit how much it costs.
Exactly.
Because I opened the door and sat in that and look at it, and it's
Oh,
like,
wow.
it's just like art.
Yeah, there's
Sitting
a
in
work of
art.
art. mate. Thanks for seeing it how I see
It
it.
felt
Jordan.
like
Oh,
that
Karen.
seat was made for the human being.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Zed, so this has keyless entry and push button start,
Yeah.
as well as satellite navigation comes
Yeah.
standard on it.
So
So
the same now, yeah, the same little bird's exactly that.
Yeah, pretty much all like that,
The 2.5 litre 4-cylinder, but obviously being
Same thing is going to keep
Oh,
going
yeah, it's quite a
forever.
lot.
it's the longest running production sedan,
Yeah.
family sedan,
Yeah.
so mid-sized
Yeah.
sedan, and ever since it came out, it
The
is
stability wise, I mean, it's not too big, not too small.
yeah.
Pretty well good sized motor.
Actively
So we
brake
got
for
this
it.
now.
That's awesome,
Right,
yeah.
okay.
Pre-collision systems, as
Yeah.
well as your blind spot monitoring devices.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
front
okay,
rear
I've
parking
heard about
sensors.
that.
Then there's a
they've
sensor on the
actually
rear.
seen it.
There's a sensor on the rear of the
Yeah,
vehicle which throws out, and then there's a little icon in the mirror there.
Oh, okay,
No,
so it's
lights
not a
up,
picture, but
it lights up bright orange when somebody's in your blind spot.
right.
Fans these days, they're just building bracelets.
oh, okay.
No
And
way.
the bracelet is your
Wow.
leisure key. You can go
Yeah.
swimming with it, and you
Yeah.
can do all that. But I mean, that's when you start going and buying $500,000
Yeah,
cars. You know,
Yeah.
there's a lot of money to be spent to get that.
You don't want to lose
bracelet.
that.
No, definitely not.
Damn. No
Yeah,
way.
yeah, spot on. Imagine getting mugged for your jewellery and it turns out to be the key to your car and they take off with that too.
Oh, well, they wouldn't know, but they wouldn't have to know, would they? It's like accidentally. Hey,
Here's the Camry Altice.
oh, okay, I've seen a picture of them.
Yeah.
Yep, spot on. And that has got absolutely everything you need. Cruise control, your sat nav and yeah, spot on. Well, this one down here is exactly the same as that one.
Yeah.
This one, the one that I drive. Jump in, mate.
That's a good one.
Yeah,
Oh,
fully
thanks,
format,
mate.
stainless little window tint bottom.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Capped at 140, so you don't pay any more
Yeah,
back
yeah,
per service.
yeah.
What's this below here?
That's an ambient light sensor because you got auto headlights. So now,
No?
down there you can actually switch it into whatever and go through the gears
Oh, yeah,
yourself.
yeah,
You
yeah.
can switch into whatever gear. If you can't fit 6 or 7 bodies in there,
Oh, huge, eh?
it's massive. Absolutely massive. And notice how it's got all this carpet lining and whatnot
Yeah.
around the inside of the vehicle. It's
Car, little car. How much more, man?
Oh, a lot more.
That's it, mate. 45 grand. Get another 20.
Oh boy. See, look at it. See, you just think you're in the other one, you know?
Yeah.
Engine leather seat, so this runs the air con out the seat.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy.
It blows your mind, mate. Heads up the storage. Seats just on the side there. You notice the little horizontal one, and
No
then
way.
you can store underneath there as well. Yeah. It's got an auto park brake feature, so the moment you pop it into drive, it turns the park brake off itself. The moment you
Nothing wrong with that. I would never get used to that. Never seems to feel in the back. Shoot, living it up now. This could be very addictive, you know. Looking at where you go.
I think that's the one. Well, that was Toyota. Let's try and buy some more.
Pretty much good fun today, testing out all those cars and seeing what cars we want in the future and that. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to smack that like button real good and subscribe to my channel and put it down in the comment section below what car that you think is the best that you've seen, and comment below what car you want to see in the future that we might actually test drive. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Just 45.